Caption 1. 1968 Ford F-250, $6,000, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1968 Ford F-250 pickup truck is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission sourced from a Ford Mustang. It runs well but requires brake work to be fully road-ready. The white exterior is in good condition, offering a solid foundation for restoration or daily use. With a clean title, this classic workhorse combines vintage Ford durability with Mustang-inspired power for a unique driving experience. Two, 1962 Ford F-100 long bed odd body, $10,000, Ventura, California. A rare find, this 1962 Ford F-100 features a long bed and an odd body design, adding to its appeal among collectors. It is powered by a 302 small block V8 engine with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. The odometer reads 34,000 miles, suggesting light use for a truck of its age. The red paint enhances its vintage charm, and the clean title ensures smooth ownership. This truck is a great option for enthusiasts seeking a unique piece of Ford history. Three, 1977 Chevy half-ton pickup, $3,000, Malden, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet 1/2-ton pickup is an affordable entry into the world of classic trucks. Equipped with four-wheel drive, it has good tires and performs well on and off the road. The automatic transmission ensures ease of driving, though rust in common areas requires attention. Priced at $3,000 or best offer, this Chevy represents a solid project truck or a dependable utility vehicle with a clean title. Path 4. 1965 Chevy C20, $9,500, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1965 Chevrolet C20 pickup is powered by a 350 engine and a Turbo 400 automatic transmission, ensuring strong performance. It features a rebuilt title and includes functional gauges, lights, and a tilt steering column. The truck is in running condition and would be a reliable workhorse or a rewarding restoration project for any classic truck enthusiast. Five, 1966 Chevy El Camino, $10,000, McAlester, Oklahoma. A blend of style and utility, this 1966 Chevrolet El Camino comes equipped with a powerful 454 V8 engine and a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. The car has undergone extensive updates, including new floor pans, leather upholstery, chrome trim, tires, exhaust, fuel tank, and radio. With its clean title and numerous upgrades, this El Camino is a versatile classic ready for the road. Six, 1973 GMC Custom C20, 12,500 Peoria, Arizona. This 1973 GMC Custom C20 is a rust-free, meticulously maintained example of a classic pickup. Featuring a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and drives flawlessly. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck has no mechanical issues. With its clean title and spotless interior and exterior, this vehicle offers reliability and vintage charm in one package. Next 7. 1974 Chevy K10 stepside 4WD manual, $11,200, Sunnyvale, California. This 1974 Chevrolet K10 stepside pickup boasts a 350 V8 engine, SM465 manual transmission, and NP205 transfer case. The 4WD system functions seamlessly, and recent maintenance includes a rebuilt flywheel, clutch, brakes, and more. Though the odometer is stuck, this truck is mechanically solid and features dual gas tanks, a clean title, and classic square body styling. It's ready for both highway and off-road adventures. Eight. 1973 Ford F-250 2WD 360 V8, $12,000, City Heights, California. A well-preserved example of the Ford F-Series. This 1973 F-250 features a 360 V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission with a granny gear. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, digital gauge cluster, wheels, tires, and interior components. The truck runs smoothly and comes with extensive maintenance records. It's a turnkey classic with a clean title, perfect for collectors or daily drivers. At 9. 1968 Chevy C10, $13,500, Puyallup, Washington. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 combines classic design with modern reliability. Powered by a newer 350 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission, it also features updated brakes and Dakota digital gauges. The truck is in overall good condition, with power steering and a clean title. It's a ready-to-go classic that offers both style and performance. (10) 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger, $12,000, Pasadena, California. This 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger is an excellent example of the rugged 6th-generation F-Series. Equipped with a 351 V8 engine, 4WD, and a long bed, it showcases classic styling and legendary toughness. The truck is in excellent condition and runs perfectly, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a vintage truck with timeless appeal. 11. 1977 Ford F-250, $700. Sparks, Nevada. This 1977 Ford F-250 is a solid classic with a 400 mm engine included in the sale. The truck runs well with its current engine and features new tires and minimal rust. A clean title and included rebuild kit make it a great option for restoration or continued use. It's a versatile classic ready for customization. 12. 1979 Ford F-100, $12,000, Spencerport, New York. This all-original 1979 Ford F-100 is a rare, numbers-matching South Carolina truck with a 351 Cleveland engine and C6 automatic transmission. Its short bed and two-owner history add to its desirability. Recent maintenance includes new tires, brake pads, and a rebuilt carburetor. While some surface rust exists, the truck remains in great condition and runs perfectly. This is a standout daily driver or collector's piece. $1976 custom Chevy pickup, $8,500, Mabank, Texas. This 1976 Chevrolet long bed features a 350 engine with only 1,500 miles on it and a newly installed 4-speed floor shifter. The truck is currently in storage and does not have air conditioning, but it runs well and is in good overall condition. With its clean title, this classic pickup offers a blend of practicality and vintage charm at an affordable price.